Welcome to K-Dash Studios for our weekly roundup of banking and financial news. These are the main news stories. Bank credit growth hit a two-year high of 18.6% YoY basis. The banking sector is seeing explosive credit growth around 17 to 18%, that is significantly outpacing deposit growth of 11 to 12%. This has widened the credit deposit gap. To attract foreign exchange inflows, the RBI has temporarily lifted the interest rate ceiling on fresh FCNRB deposits for 3 to 5 year tenors through September 30, 2026. Some banks, IDBI Bank privatization. The strategic sale of a 60.72% government stake in IDBI Bank is nearing the finish line, with revised bids from Fairfax Financial and Emeriton MD. Rates and inflation. The repo rate remains steady at 5.25%, though inflation has slightly crossed the RBI's target for the first time in nearly 18 months. Leadership updates. Former Chief Election Commissioner and EX Finance Secretary Rajiv Kumar has been approved as the part-time chairman of HDFC Bank for a 3-year term. Now banks can't call you at night anymore. The RBI has implemented strict loan recovery rules against predatory recovery tactics. Agents are now strictly limited to contacting borrowers only between 8 a.m. and 7 p.m. Furthermore, RBI has banned public shaming. Now agents cannot contact a borrower's family, neighbors or colleagues. Banks bear 100% liability for any agent misconduct and must ensure agents are IIBF certified. Forced to buy insurance with home loan, RBI banned mis-selling and bundling. Banks are prohibited from forcing customers to buy third-party products such as home loan mutual funds which are not mandatory to get a loan. The rules will be active from 1st July 2026. Starting 1st January 2027, the RBI is rolling out a life compensation shield for small-digit fraud. Paying up to 50,000 can receive an 85% reimbursement capped at 25,000 rupees, provided they report the fraud within 5 days. Higher compensation for harassment. Under the new grievance framework of RBI, the maximum compensation available to consumers facing mental anguish or harassment from banks has been increased from Rs 1 lakh to Rs 3 lakh. Minimum balance and customer protection. Banks cannot push account negative just for missing minimum balance, as per RBI rules. In case of credit card frauds, RBI says banks must give shadow reversal provisional credit within 5 days of customer reporting. New norms effective from 1st January 2027. No official lunch closure from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. in the banks. RBI rule says counters must stay open. Complaint to crpc.rbi.org or not 4448. No sale to defaulters. RBI barred banks and NBFCs from selling stressed immovable assets back to defaulting borrowers or related parties. Must use public auction within 7 years.